back to my channel. My name is MemieCarvel, and today's unit is brought to you by SamsBeauty. So thank you, SamsBeauty, for sending over this unit. So let's get right into it. So today I'm reviewing Sensationnel's Amina, and I have her in the color rose gold. So here is the stock card, and also here is the color palettes they do have with all the other special colors within this brand. Well, this look right here. So this look, Miss Amina, I did this look already probably last year when it came out, or earlier this year. I don't remember when it came out, but when I did do this look, I did it in a copper. I think it's the 350. Yes, so I did it in the 350, and I just been in love with this unit ever since. So I wanted to review it again. I actually do have this in a 613. I just never gotten around to do not the review, but just to wear the unit. I'm like, you know what, my 613s I wear it on special occasions, so I am not gonna pop out a blonde look unless it's something I really want to slay. But I've been eyeing this rose gold for so long, so I'm very happy that I got this unit. You know, I'm trying to, you know, try different colors within like whenever I do a review, I want to try different colors because other people want to see, you know, different colors. So I was like, you know what, this rose gold looks so cute. Let me try to perfect it the way I did the last time, and I think it's still cute. Like, I love the little curls. Like, it's giving me like Barbie vibes, Barbs over here. And all I did was wet it a little, and I applied a little bit of mousse, and that was it. And before that, of course, I've been using this new Ebin New York Bond adhesive spray, the black one. I do still have the red one. This is my baby right here, but this became my new baby. Like, I love the way it holds. It holds so well. I don't really even have to apply 2 layers. I just apply 1 layer, and it just sticks so well, which I do love. But I really do love this color. This unit did come with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. I think it's average size head friendly, so if you do have a bigger size head, it might not fit, but you never know, you gotta try it. And yeah, like, this look is just everything, and hopefully you guys do enjoy this review. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share, and click that notification bell while you guys are at it. Let me go ahead and do a 360 if I haven't did a 360. I don't remember if I applied the clip, but let me go ahead and do a 360. So this is the side of this unit, and this is the back, and we're right back to the front. Like, I really love the curls. It's so sophisticated, so pretty. It's just fun and bubbly, and so that's why I love this color here. And I love their Shear Muse. Anything that's Shear Muse, they come through with the colors. And yeah, so make sure you guys are checking out my Instagram, which is MemieCarvel Beauty, and also check out my TikTok, which is MemieCarvel. And thank you guys for tuning in. Love you, bye. See you guys in the next run.